Once again, the market is frustrating another bearish attempt, as we warned here in this channel yesterday. This is yet another example of how important it is to wait for confirmation, to work strategically without panicking at the sight of one single bearish candlestick pattern. So let's see what we have here for today in this video. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, retail trader. Very nice to meet you guys. So yes, SPY is still going up. It is still incredibly bullish. The sentiment is incredibly bullish. Although we are having a very hard time below the resistance level at $459 over here, we are still bullish. We have yet to see a crystal clear, amazing, undeniable top signal. Yesterday we tried to do such a reaction. We actually did a classic bearish candlestick pattern, call it bearish engulfing candlestick pattern, right below this resistance level. However, this pattern was not even triggered in the first place. So no sell signal, no top signal triggered. SPY is still incredibly bullish. It is still going up nicely. Therefore, this is why I told you guys earlier, this is why it is so important to wait for confirmation. QQQ made a similar reaction. Yesterday, QQQ made an incredibly sharp bearish candlestick pattern. Although we broke yesterday's high, although we broke the previous day's high over here, we broke the resistance again at $387. We did a classic bearish candlestick pattern, call it dark cloud cover candlestick pattern. And then you may say, oh, but Nathan, according to Thomas Bukowski's studies in his book Encyclopedia of Candlestick Charts, he says that a dark cloud cover candlestick pattern acts as a bearish reversal 60% of the time. So more often than not, it is going to drop. So it is wise to short at this time. Well, it is, but you gotta wait for confirmation. Still, you gotta wait for confirmation. You gotta wait to see the price losing the previous day's low, losing this dark cloud cover candlestick lows over here. Right now, QQQ actually is making the exact opposite. We are breaking yesterday's high. We are completely rejecting this bearish thesis over here. Unlike SPY, which has yet to break yesterday's high, QQQ is already doing that. It is already rejecting a bearish thesis over here. So both indices are still very bullish. Although QQQ did trigger a pullback over here back to the 21 EMA, the exponential moving average, we are bouncing again. We are trying to seek the next resistance level over here, resuming the bullish sentiment period. So again, let's always wait for confirmation. Guys, I can't stress enough. Real trading is reactive, not predictive. Since its birth in feudal Japan more than 2.5 centuries ago, when samurai trader Munehisa Homa created the candlestick chart, technical analysis has never been about predicting the future. It's the art of reading the trend and the psychology behind price movements. Armed with such tool, it is possible to determine a strategy involving statistics and risk management, period. Fundamental analysis is also useless for predicting anything. Its only purpose is to identify the fair value of a share, which is debatable, by the way, considering the quality of the investment. Simply put, it serves to answer the question of whether the price justifies the value. There is no tool that can help you to predict the future. So when you hear someone talking about forecasts, predictions, etc., be aware. So remember to subscribe this channel, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on what's going on this weird market. Every single day we're gonna study SPY, QQQ, Tesla, Nvidia, etc. So subscribe and click the like button if you are enjoying the content so far. If you are still watching this video and you are not a subscriber, because probably you are enjoying the content. Now, Back to Tesla, we see a similar situation over here. Tesla yesterday did a very bearish candlestick pattern. I know it went up 0.27%, but the candlestick is bearish. We did a bearish reaction. We tried to correct, and although we lost yesterday's low, Tesla couldn't close the price under the support level over here. Therefore, it is still maintaining the bullish bias. It is still above the 21 MA, which is still pointing upwards, by the way. So, yes, Tesla is still bullish. Some people accuse me of being bullish all the time. And similarly, when Tesla is dropping, some people say, oh, Nathan, you're always bearish. Dude, why don't you see the glass half full instead of half empty? Guys, I'm here only to describe the price movements. When I say my opinion, I will always be extremely clear about that. In my humble opinion, Tesla is supposed to continue the bullish movement, all right? It's supposed to continue the uptrend, all right? This is my humble opinion. However, there is a challenge over here. There is a ceiling that Tesla has to break. $246.70. Tesla gotta break this resistance level in order to confirm this bullish thesis, all right? If it doesn't break this key point, if it does lose the 21 EMA instead, okay, this is gonna frustrate my own personal bullish thesis on Tesla. I'm not gonna cry about it. If you believe that one single loss is going to be more than a short-term annoyance to me, then you are totally wrong, all right? You still don't understand how we trade professionally in this market. So, okay, it is going to reverse the trend. It is going to frustrate the bullish sentiment over here. All right, next technical target, $226. What if we lose the $226? Then Tesla is gonna drop to much lower levels. Potentially, we could seek the bottom level of this descending channel on the weekly chart. So be aware of these three key points on Tesla stock. 200 resistance level at $246.70, the 21 MA on the daily chart, and the $226 support level, which is very close to this gap over here at $225.40. So let's be aware of these three most important key points. Now, Nvidia is also making a very interesting bullish reaction over here. We are far from rejecting yesterday's bearish candlestick pattern, but still, it is quite good to see Nvidia reacting today, especially in a day like today, trying to close above the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement again. This is very good. Nvidia is clearly struggling around this huge support level made by the retracements, made by the 21 MA, which is right now acting as a resistance level. But if we see SPY, QQQ reacting, actually resuming the bullish sentiment over here, QQQ is already resuming, right? But we gotta see SPY breaking the $459 in order to confirm a bullish thesis, a bullish continuation thesis on it. If they do that, okay, most likely our dear stocks over here, especially Tesla and Nvidia, are going to continue the bullish sentiment. Tesla is going to break its resistance level at $246, remember that number, and the Nvidia is also going to break the 21 MA on the daily chart as well. So, and of course, many other stocks are going to benefit from such movement as well. Apple is going to continue the bullish movement until it reaches the yearly high over here. Microsoft is reacting right around a support level. Microsoft is looking interesting as well, right? So it is just like Tesla, it is just like Nvidia, it is finally reacting around a crystal clear support level. Good. Microsoft is looking very good. Google is exploding near resistance levels. It still has to break these two lines over here. Amazon is also going up nicely, but it feels like, just like Tesla, is being squeezed in a trap zone between the 21 MA, which is ascending, and the previous resistance level at 146. See, Tesla Tesla faces a similar situation. See how the 21 EMA is acting as a reliable support level since November 17 over here. Support level bouncing up, support level bouncing up, support level bouncing up to the same resistance level. When we see the ascending 21 EMA squeezing the price against a clear resistance level, we see a trap zone. This is what is called trap zone. Eventually, we're gonna see breakout to any direction. It could be upwards, it could be downwards. I don't know. I don't need to know. I can't predict the future, but I don't need to predict the future to trade well. So, okay, trap zone on Tesla and on Amazon as well. They are moving in a similar way over here. So let's pay attention to the key points mentioned in this video. And if you do want to trade with me, if you need a crystal clear strategy to help you navigate in this weird market, join our Telegram channel. The QR code is right here on the left corner of your screen. There you'll find my personal insights, my personal buy and sell signals on Tesla, Nvidia, SPY, QQQ, and other stocks that I think that are looking good right now at this moment. When I see an opportunity, of course, join a community of consistent swing traders, serious swing traders. So join our Telegram channel. Welcome to the family, and consider subscribing this channel for more analysis, for more videos like this. I highly appreciate your support, my dear friends. Thank you very much. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.